Alright, let's try to solve this AJC tutorial question 6 on superposition single slit here. So you must have this diagram in mind when you solve this question, alright? So this diagram is very important. So a slit of width 32 mm, so this opening is 32 mm, they form sharp images. So you must understand that these are the two distant objects. This is a slit, this is a screen, this is what you observe, alright? So 32 mm is this one, 24 cm is from the object to the slit. Wavelength 550. They ask what is the theta minimum so that you get objects that are just distinguished. So in other words, you have two objects here. Let's say one is from here, so you form the diffraction pattern which looks like this, let's say. Which looks like this, let's say. So what about this? What about this? This one, let's say I use another color. I use from this one, you will form the maxima. You must form here so that it's just distinguished, right? So it will be here. All right. So now, so to get two distinguished objects, you must ensure that the first minima of this one object coincide with the central maxima of another object. This is the central maxima. Coincide with the first minima of the rate. Okay, so this is what we say they just distinguish. So for this to be true, you must use the Rayleigh criterion, the theta minimum, approximately lambda over b. All right, so lambda given is 550, b is this, so you get this as the answer. All right, next they ask you what is the separation between the two objects. Now you need to understand this separation between the two objects can govern by tangent theta. Right? Tangent theta is y over 24. Yeah, and if the theta is small, yes, obviously we always do single slit diffraction, all the angle are considered small. So tangent theta is approximately theta. So tangent theta is y over 0.24. Theta is this number. You remember this theta must be in radian, okay? It cannot be in degree, yeah? So after that, you will get y as this.